This is the wireless microphone, and one nice thing about this microphone is you just connect and then you play on the go. No need to connect to the Bluetooth before you can use this device. So I bought this microphone for just 400 cedis, and guess what? It is plug and play, works within 20 meters, and it is highly sensitive. This microphone comes with a charging case, a road charging, and I think there is a manual here to guide you on how to use the microphone. So moving straight to this. So this is how the charging box looks like. In the charging box we have our adapter and then the two microphones. So the adapter or the receiver is connected to the phone, and then it connects immediately with the two microphones. So this is how it looks like. It has two indicators, and this is the first microphone. This is how it also look like. You can charge directly on the microphone, and then you can charge directly on the charging box as well. So this is the testing video of this microphone, and this is how I sound without the noise cancellation, and also this is how it sounds when the noise cancellation is turned on. A 400 cedis microphone can actually work within 20 meters of speaking to my camera up there. So here you notice that the connection was distracted because of where I'm facing. Let's see what happens when I turn and face the camera. The camera from above and looking at where I'm standing at the moment. If you can still hear me, then I would want to say that this microphone is a very good microphone, and I recommend this microphone to you, because looking at the distance from where my camera is to this place, I can say it's even more than 20 meters. So if you can still hear me, then it means that this microphone is a very good one for starting up your content creation journey. From this result you are hearing, when the noise cancellation feature is turned on, you can attest that this lapel microphone is at a very high position to compete with the expensive ones in the market. So if this video was very helpful, make sure you share it to a friend who is looking for a budget-friendly microphone to buy for his or her content creation journey. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, turn on post notification for more similar content like this. Catch you up in the next one.